Hello science family, we are back and today we're going to be looking at a simple chemical reaction lab. Now, when we're doing chemical reactions and we're looking for signs of them, things to consider would be things like, is there a color change? Could there be some type of precipitate that's forming? And now a precipitate is when like liquids are mixed together and some new solid is formed inside of that. So let's see and be on the lookout for that. Also a sign of a chemical reaction could be something as simple as a gas being formed, or that the temperature could change, something could get hot or cold. So let's keep all those things in mind when we're looking at different chemical reactions. But the first chemical reaction we're going to start with is actually pure magnesium. So what I have here is just a strip of pure magnesium metal. What I'm going to do is heat it up in the Bunsen burner to see if it has a chemical reaction. Now, in order to properly look into your data table, let's observe before the reaction happens. So if you look, this is magnesium, a shiny metal. It's malleable, bendable, all right, has a silverish color to it. All right, so that is the observation you should write before the reaction. Now let's actually create the reaction, make your observations, and then also document that in your data table. So here goes. Let's see if we can get it heated up first. And you'll see a reaction, and there is the reaction. The magnesium is reacting with the oxygen and burns. And then at the end, after it burns, it gives off a great amount of light. It has like a white ash left over to it. So magnesium actually was utilized as an old flash for cameras at nighttime back in the day, and you can see why. It's a very bright light that's given off. Right, so that was part A of your lab, magnesium reacting. Go ahead and write down your observations. Be sure to write down the observations before and after the reaction, but that was definitely a chemical reaction.